A warm welcome to everyone. A new academic year begins and school elections too. Here are our prospective candidates are there to tell you why you should vote them to power. Wishing all the very best to all my lovely friends. So, before penning down my speech, the first thing I did was to Google how to make my viewers pay attention. The teachers say it's impossible, but I thought to give it a try. And what I found was, tell your voters the truth to keep them hooked. Hence, for the starters and who don't know me, I am RUTHRA PS. I am neither Miss Universe nor actress, but a proud student of Muthamil Public School. You might have seen me around the campus chilling with my buddies after long seminars. The post that I am standing is for the SPL, the School Pupil Leader, aka the Supreme Commander or the figurative head of the Students' Council. My symbol is pen. Before filling my application, I made a list of qualities that a head girl should possess. A head girl needs to assume leadership and be a representative. Next, there is a thing that is always advised by teachers. That is, a leader should have a vision. I too have one. That is, to provide you an approachable leadership where you are free to voice your concerns and opinions. I want all of you to discover your inherited talents by providing you chances instead of excuses. Another trait that a leader should possess is courage, which in our terms means going up to the principal's office and speak up. A leader should be passionate, disciplined and an eloquent speech maker, at which I am fairly good. As a candidate, I have some promises to tell you. And as I am a nature lover, I have some eco-friendly promises too. I promise to introduce green habits in our school. I promise to make our students to save energy. I promise to make our campus green and clean. I promise to promote gender equality through various sports activities, extracurricular activities, historical events, programs, etc. I would encourage physical activities for a stress-free school environment. I would assure you to make a part of cultural activities, school events, intracurricular competitions, etc. I promise to fulfill all the above mentioned points. When you are voting in the election, don't let anyone else to hold your pen. Voting is your choice. And with that being said, I end my speech. Again, myself, I am RUTHRA PS of grade 11 and this is my symbol, pen. My symbol is pen. Kindly vote for me. Thank you.